My dear students, in this video I am coming with new topic, instantaneous power in ordinary current. Instantaneous power means, student, now you have to find the power. It's a very important to calculate the power in a circuit. For that we use power instantaneous. So power instantaneous power. You know the formula. Power instantaneous power means E into I. Here E means EMF, I means current. E into I. V into I means power. You know V into I means power. V into I means power. Voltage into current means power. Instantaneous power. And P instantaneous equal to E into I. Now you know E means what for ordinary current? E0 sine of omega t. For I, we can write I0 sine of omega t. Take a phase difference between E and I. So here I have taken plus phi phase difference. Understood? Plus phi phase difference, because in somewhere I leads the current EMF or I lags EMF. So here I can take any type of phase difference, positive or negative. Okay. So put the value I instantaneous. E into I means this, and to this into this. So E0 sine of omega t into I0 sine of omega t plus phi. Now this is a plus b formula, so we can write E0 I0 sine of omega t into sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So sine omega t into cos of phi sine A cos B plus cos A into sine B means phi. Now multiply with this sine omega t. Multiply sine omega t with this and that. So we'll get E0 I0 sine square omega t into cos phi plus sine omega t cos omega t into sine phi. Okay. Now multiply it by half, and we can multiply 2 with this. So 2 sine omega t cos omega t means sine 2 omega t. 2 sine omega t cos, or 2 sine A cos B means sine 2 omega t. So write E0 I0 sine square omega t cos phi plus half into sine 2 omega t into sine phi. Now students, here sine 2 omega t for full cycle, you have, if you take for full cycle sine 2 omega t will be 0, because after integrating, if we put the value 0 to capital T, then for cos pi it will be minus 1, and for cos 2 pi is plus 1. 2 into pi, so 2 pi means cos plus 1, and for minus cos 0, so it means we will get 0. Actually sine 2 omega t for full cycle will be 0, and sine square omega t, the average value of sine square omega t, see average value means by mod, mean value of sine square omega t is half. Mean value of sine square omega t is half. So average value of sine square omega t means half. So power instantaneous is equal to E0 I0. Here sine square omega t means how much? Half into here cos phi. And see student, this term is 0. This term is 0. So we can write half cos pi. Write it properly. E0 by root 2 into I0 by root 2 into cos phi. Now you tell me, E0 by root 2 means what? E0 by root 2 means? Yes? ERMS. Very good. I0 by root 2 means IRMS. So E0 by root 2 means ERMS, I0 by root 2 means IRMS, and cos phi is called power factor. Cos phi is called power factor. Very important thing, cos phi, students, for numerical problem. Cos phi is called power factor. Power factor. Now, so the ultimate result is power instantaneous is equal to E RMS into I RMS into power factor cos phi. Okay. Now pause the video and copy. Hurry up, hurry up. Okay. Now, students, I think you have written. So ERMS, IRMS, cos phi. Now, for you tell me, for resonant circuit, what happened? Phi equal to 0, so cos phi equal to 1. So this is called power factor unity. Power factor unity. Suppose sometimes in numericals they have written power factor is unity. It means what? It means what? It means this is a resonant circuit. This is a resonant circuit. If they are written power factor is unity, it means what? It's a resonant circuit. It's a resonant circuit. It's a resonant circuit. Means omega equal to XL equal to XC. XL equal to XC. Resonant means XL equal to XC. Right. So power instantaneous means ERMS, IRMS, cos phi. ERMS, IRMS, cos phi. So now there is a very important thing. What is called wattless current? Like wattless current, and put star over here. Wattless current. Wattless current. See the name suggested. Wattless. Wattless. No what? No what? No power. No what? No power. Students, current is flowing, but there will be no power dissipation. Is it possible? Yes, students, possible. If phi is equal to 90. Surprise. Phi equal to 90. Phi equal to 90 when? Phi equal to 90 when the circuit is purely inductive or capacitive. Means if only circuit containing only L or C. If circuit containing only L or C, then what happened? You know, the phase difference will be 90 with C, I and V. Am I right, students? Are you getting? When the circuit containing L or C, only L or only C, then what happened? Then the I phase difference between V and I will be 90 degree. So if you put the value here, if you put the value here, then what happened? E RMS, I RMS cos 90, which is equal to 0. Cos 90 means 0. So power is 0. Power is 0 means wattless. So no power dissipation takes place. It means no energy dissipation. So in this case, what is called wattless current? So if the circuit containing L only or C only, in that case phase difference will be 90. So cos 90 is 0. So power will be 0. So power 0 means wattless current. I think understood. Next, students, in next video we'll perform some numerical problem regarding LCR circuit. Okay.